Friends, welcome back to the SDM Academy. So class nursery, I am your English teacher. How are you? I hope you are all fine. You missing your teachers and I miss you too. In previous year we will learn capital letters A to Z. Capital letters A to Z and we will revise again capital letters A to Z. अब हम फिर से एक बार रिवाइज करेंगे capital letters A to Z.
One standing line and the second standing line and is sleeping line in middle. Which letter is A? Which letter? A. A for apple. And the second letter is one standing line and one half circle and one half circle. B. B for ball. B for ball. And next letter is C. Next letter is C. C for cat. C for cat. And the next letter is D. D for dog. D for dog. And the next letter is E. One standing line, another sleeping line, and sleeping line in middle, and last sleeping line in last. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. And the second letter is F. One standing line, one sleeping line, and one sleeping line. F. F for fish. F for fish. And the next letter is G. One curved line and turn, then one standing line in half. G. G for goat. G for goat. And the next letter is H. One standing line and one sleeping line in middle and one standing line in end. H. H for horse. H for horse. And the next letter is I. One sleeping line and one standing line and in end one sleeping line. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. And the next letter is J. One sleeping line and one standing line and turn the line. J. J for jug. J for jug. And the next letter is K. One standing line and one vertical line and another vertical line. K. K for kite. K for kite. And the next letter is L. One standing line and one sleeping line. L. L for loin. L for loin. And the next letter is M. One standing line and another standing line and standing line turn and one another standing line. M. M for monkey. Which letter? M. M for monkey. And the next letter is N. Which letter? N. N for nest. N for nest. And the next letter is O. one circle. Which letter? O. O for orange. O for orange. Next letter is P. One standing line and one half circle on two lines. P. P for which letter? P. P for parrot. P for parrot. And the next letter is Q. One circle and then in turns standing line. Q. Which letter? Q. Q for queen. Next letter is R. One standing line and one half circle and turn sleeping line. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. And the next letter is S. Half circle and then half circle. S. S for which letter? S. S for sheep. And the next letter is T. Which letter? T. One sleeping line and one standing line. This letter is T. Which letter? T. T for telephone. T for telephone. And the next letter is U. One standing line and turn this line and one another standing line. U. This letter is U. And U for umbrella. U for umbrella. And the next letter is V. One turn standing line and another turn standing line. B. B for van. B for van. And the next letter is W. Same B. One standing line, another standing line, and then turn standing line, and last is standing line. W. W for watch. W for watch. And the next letter is X. One standing line and last turned standing line. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. And the next letter is Y. One standing line and one full standing line. Y. Which letter? Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. And the last letter is Z. One sleeping line and one standing line and another sleeping line. Z. Z for zebra. Which letter? Z for zebra. I hope you all understand capital letters. Thank you.